bottom line. Let's look out for your freedom, ring, and patriotic voices sing. Red, white, blue, never give up. You represent America. Hoping and praying for a brighter day. I listen to my heart and I obey. How can I see it any other way? I'm looking at life with my own eyes.
Hello everyone, we're here in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota, looking at another touchless car wash. This is a request video for Brendan Hancock for me to do the other bay.
Select the wash card by touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the Enter Code button to enter your code.
Okay, so again, this is the other C-start for the code dispatch for the car wash.
Please make your selection.
And of course, you know what I'm going to get. Alright, add payment for selection. Give me one moment. Okay, I got my payments, so here it comes.
Please add additional payment now. Please remove your card. Please wait while your transaction is being processed.
Okay. I'll attach that to that. We're just waiting for it to get processed.
Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Well, if you might have guessed another Laserwash 360, you are correct. Alright, and the wash begins. Oh. And of course, that's in the other bay. This is actually bay number 1 of the car wash system. Well, here in Detroit Lakes, there are some more modified laser wash systems, but this is just the standard here. What's changed is in the bay system, they eliminated the X and the arrow for inside the bay, but you'll see what I mean in my future car wash videos. Okay, so right now our vehicle is soaking. Oh, here comes the laser wash. I couldn't do a 2-stage type phone type of thing, so I'm back to a one camera right now. So hopefully I can get that other camera fixed real soon. Right now we're in our triple foam. Just rinse them off. Alright, here comes our overglow. I think both the overglow and the triple foam are great together, in my opinion. Okay, here comes the razor rinse. I meant laser rinse. Alright, turtle wax. Okay, right now we're on our spot-free rinse. Last one was our clear coat protectant. They usually use clear coat protectant before spot-free rinse anyway. The reason I honk like that is so that I warn people that I'm coming out of the bay. There goes the other dryers. Well, once again, I think that was a pretty good wash. Well, what do you guys think of the other bay? Well, if you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber to the YouTube channel of the Simplex Center, and if you love the videos, go ahead and subscribe for more videos. Until then, we'll see you next time.